So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders, wherever you are in the world. This is Victor, and in today's video, we are going to be looking at the if and else statement. Now, in the last video, we looked at the different data types, such as the integer, the float, the bool, the double, and so on, right? So in today's video, we are actually going to be looking at the if and else statement. Now, those of you that don't know how we got this open, I can close this out. Let's click on no, and then you can see your MT5. Click on this IDE, okay, click on it, and you're gonna get your editor opened. Now I'm gonna clean all of this. Now if you don't know how we got this part opened, you can click on file, click on new, click on script, next, and name your script, and then click on finish. And you're gonna get to this stage, okay? So all you're going to be needing is your onStart function. Now from here, I'm gonna be writing the if else statements. Now I say if a condition, and then something should happen in between, just like your normal programming. Else, right? You put your condition here. Now, I'm going to be relating these examples to real-life trading so that you can get a feel of how you can manipulate things. Now, for now, I'm just going to put if true. Remember our output statement, which is the alert statement. If true, we can come down here and alert the output. The output is false, right? And I can go down here. If it is false, I want alert output is false. Actually, here will be true. The output is true. TRE, true. What am I saying? TRUE, can't spell. True. So let's compile this now. I clicked on, let's compile it. You can see compile without any errors. So we can go ahead and click on our MT5. And then click on the particular program, which is this. I can see the output is true. The output is true because we put true as our in the if statement. Now, what if the input here is false? What's going to happen? I'm going to compile right here, and then I'm going to close here. Now, if I run it in this same place, see, I run it this way, you can see the output is false. Okay. Now, I'm going to relate it to something you can actually use when you are trading. Now, let's say we want to get our account balance. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to name the variable to be a double, and it will be equal to account info double, which is a function, and I'm going to get the account balance, right? Now, this is a function from MQL5 that gets the user's account balance. Now, if I go under here, I can go ahead and print it or alert it. Alert the current account balance is, and I'm going to put the variable that we use, which is, okay, we didn't name the variable. Let's name this variable account. So here we're going to go account this way. Why is it autocorrecting me? This way, let's compile it and see that any errors, 0 errors. Now, if I go to here and I click on this example YouTube, you can see it doesn't give a correct. Let's print first of all. Let's remove every other alert on this so we don't get confused. Okay, this way. And then before we alert anything, I want to just alert at the beginning of the program is kind of space, so we know where our program is starting from, right? Just leave it this way, and then let's compile it and see. Okay, semicolon, compile, and everything is fine, right? Now if I go into here and you can see we got our equal to, and the current balance is 45,244.53. Now you can see a lot of comments here, and That's why I put this equal to sign, so it will be easier for you to read the comments. Now, if I come to this place, I want to use an if and else statement to vet these accounts and put a lot size and open a trade. So I want to open a one lot size if the account is bigger than $10,000, and then if it's less than $10,000, I want to open a 0.1 lot size. Now I'm going to define a variable named limit. The limit to be 10,000, and then another variable. I think after the limit, what else do we need? Okay, the limit is a major thing. So I'm going to come here and say if account. Okay, the lot size. Let's define the lot size. Double lot is equal to 0. So we have a default lot size of 0. But I'm going to say if account is greater than limit, then what am I going to do? I'm going to set the lot to be one lot size. I'm not going to say lot is equal to 1. Else, if it's not greater than the limit, which is 10,000, the lot will be equal to 0.1. Now, after this is done, I want to go ahead and open a trade, right? So below this place, before we open a trade, we need to include the library that's going to allow us manage trades or open trades. And that library is the trade/trade.mqh. You can see we have an include up here, right? And then I'm going to create an object of this library. In this case, it's going to be ctrade of, let's just call it a trade. That's be the variable. Now below here, I can decide to open either a buy or a sell. But for this video, let's just open a buy. Okay. So we're going to come here and say trade.buy. I'm going to give it the lot size. And then this symbol is telling it to buy for the particular symbol that is the default symbol we are currently on. Now if I compile this, you can see we've got some errors, so we have to deal with them. Okay, here we need to put a semicolon and compile. Okay, it works fine. And if I click on our MT5, put it on, you can see it gives us our account balance, but most importantly, it opens a buy of volume 1 on this account. Why does it do that? Because our account balance is 45,000, which is greater than $10,000. Now, let's say we increase our limit from 10,000 to 100,000. This way, I will compile this. Now, if we run this program, what lot size should be opened? 0.1, right? Okay, so let's run it and see if it is 0.1. If we run it, you can see 0.1 lot size is being opened. And this is just the first rules, simple rules, play with variables, and so on. So very soon we're going to be making full-blown expert advisors that follow specific rules. But now you're going to stick with the journey and keep learning. Now, if this video was helpful to you, smash the like button, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you and stay strong.